So picking up where I left off, I actually didn't create this design on the master. I was wrong, but I want to. I do want to create a master. So what I need to do here is actually go up to the top panel in my Pages panel, right-click and hit New Master. And I'm going to base it on None. And I'm going to do number of pages 1. Since this is my title page, I don't want it to have a page beside it. So that's the part that I was missing here. I'm going to name this Cover Master. Okay. There we go. And now the stuff that I designed while ago, I actually put on page 2. Whoopsies. And so I'm going to take everything. I'm going to highlight everything that I just did. I'm going to Control X to cut. I'm going to go up here to my Cover Master, and I'm going to Control V to paste. I'll slide it back down to its place. There we go. So now you can see on the thumbnail, my Cover Master page is applied. So then, as I start to add pages to my document, and I can click on a page, kind of go through. Right now, all of my pages are blank, and all of my pages have the A master applied to them. And if I start to add pages to my document, nothing's coming in, but I've got, let's say, a 10-page document now, starting with my first page, and nothing is there. But if I want to add my B cover master to this page, I can just drag it down, and now my master template has been applied to this page. Ta-da! So cool. So what happens if we apply a master to the rest of these pages? Let me show you how simple this is. This is really the great part of InDesign. So if I'm working on my master pages, you can see that the master is highlighted here, not the page within my document. I'm going to, here, let's cheat a little bit. Let's select this element for consistency's sake from my title master. Let's just click and drag here. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste. So hey, these are elements that I've already got. I'm going to use them again. They'll come in handy. I want to create that visual consistency. So maybe on my pages within my document, I don't want it to be covering up the bottom of the page. So maybe I'll just take it across the side here. And again, maybe this is an image, maybe it's a solid graphic block of color. You can decide how that looks later on. But I have a consistent graphic image that's going to carry all the way through. And then let's say maybe I want, maybe we want a block of text to come in here. And this will be where I can explain what each one of my graphics is about. And I can go type. I can go insert placeholder, fill with placeholder text. That would certainly be way too much to write about any particular assignment. So maybe we can just make a larger font. I'll take up some more room here. You can explain any given assignment here. We'll make this a little bit bigger. We'll say this is going to be like our headings. So we'll make that font a little bit larger. Maybe we'll make a heading bold. And then start another line here. There we go. Well, that's good enough for the mock-up at this point. And again, mock-ups don't have to be in color. I did intend to do this in black and white. So let me just take this down to a grayscale. There we go. All right. And then, so if I'm explaining each one of my elements on the left-hand side, then I'll need to put in my graphic artwork from class on the right-hand side, and I'll use that wireframe to just plug in where it's going to go. So then, as I'm clicking through my document, I've got my cover page, I've got my pages of my document, and each one of them are filled with this consistent layout. And bada bing, when it comes to creating your final assignment, all you have to do is fill in your colors, plug in your graphic artwork from your best 10 pieces of the class, and write up a little bit about each one. Go to one final video, and I'll show you what I want for you to select for